Good morning from Las Vegas. Today we are going to Hoover Dam. We are going to see the amazing concrete dam on the border between the US states of Nevada and Arizona. This ride will be about 30 miles, that is 48 kilometers approximate to southeast of Las Vegas. The dam is located near Boulder City, Nevada State. The Boulder municipality originally constructed for workers on the dam construction project. As we see here, roads are really well maintained and well constructed. Both sides of the roads we can see some sculptures made. I am sure it is really something very meaningful, but unfortunately I was unable to stop in all places and see what are the writings or what are those sculptures representing. So however, these roads are really so awesome. Now we are almost approaching Boulder City. So before entering to the dam area, there is a viewpoint where we can see the lake. So let us stop there and see the great view from there. Arrived at the first viewpoint, so let us go and see how it looked like from the viewpoint. At this viewpoint, it is explaining the geology and the history of this area, history of Boulder City, history of the lake. So everything is displayed here in a different form. So let us walk around and see. When we leave from this waypoint, it is about 15 minutes to the dam. So now we are going through the lake Mead. So this is a great view from here. Climate is very good for riding because it is not so hot, it is not so cold. Actually in Utah and all, I came from Utah and all, it was snowing, and in Las Vegas it is very cold, but while we come to the dam area in the morning time, it's really very nice weather to ride. interested in for boating and who also had decided to spend some time here. This lake mead is a perfect choice for them to have some productive time. We are at the checkpost. The security checks all the vehicles pass through this security gate. As we approach the dam, we can see the very high voltage power lines both sides of the roads. In fact, Hoover Dam is transmitting the electricity to Los Angeles as well. When we enter into the dam, first we will see an amazing arch bridge. It's called Mike O'Callaghan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. This is an arch bridge opened in 2010. It says it is the key component of the Hoover Dam bypass project. It is actually jointly named for Mike O'Callaghan, the governor of Nevada in 1979, and Pat Tillman, an American football player. The bridge was the first concrete steel composite arch bridge built by United States. Crossing the bridge, we are riding to the other side of the bridge. Then we will go to the upper level. Now we will cross the Arizona border. Then we will go to the top of the bridge, the dam, and we will see the great views from there. Right to the top of the dam, there are so many viewpoints. So right now we are at the first viewpoint. Let us stop here and see around how is the view look like. From here we can see the beautiful intake towers and the arch bridge which we saw earlier. This is the first level. We can hardly see the water from here. So as we go to the top level, we can see clearly the lake. Okay, we are going to the next level and see how is the view from there. Okay, let's see how it looks like in this top. seems it's not much different, but little more higher view. So let's go to the next level and see. A viewpoint here, but we decided not to spend much time here as there is not much to see here, so we are continuing to the top level. Here we are approaching to the highest point of the dam. We are at the top of the Hoover Dam. A nice lookout area here. So there are so many parking and refreshments here. There are binoculars. This is the top. They have refreshments and the dustbins all around, so they are keeping it very neat and clean. And there are portable toilets. So this area, it is illustrating the original shape of the dam and surroundings before it modified, and the natives who lived in the area, the threat of the dam at the time of World War II. There was a threat. Some of the people from Las Vegas area, they tried to plot the bomb or something, so there was tough time, and also the hard time of the wildlife in Majova Desert and their survival struggle also illustrated here. So this is the highest viewpoint. So they have binoculars here. So if you put money, you can view the view from here. I'm just oh, this is the binocular. We can see the close-up view. So I am going to put 1/4, so it is 1/4 sort of view. See good view. So let us start our descending now, and we will go to the Memorial Bridge Plaza to see the best view of Hoover Dam and Lake Mead. There are many stairs and ramps, etc. So it's a little hassle to go up. It is, but it is worth to check it out, the view. Here is one tunnel. When we talk about the tunnel, we should know that before the dam could be built, the Colorado River needed to be diverted away from the construction site. So to accomplish this, there were 4 diversion tunnels were driven through the canyon walls, 2 on the Nevada side and 2 on the Arizona side. Then later the river was diverted into 2 Arizona tunnels in 1932, and Nevada tunnels were kept in reserve for high water. Following the completion of the dam, the entrance of the 2 outer diversion tunnels were sealed at the opening and halfway through the tunnels with the large concrete plugs. It is amazing from each viewpoint. We see the same thing but different views from different angle, different perspective. It's awesome to see. Every viewpoint you learn some new stories. Side there is a parking space, so it's a paid parking. We can park the bike and walk around. are at the